Well, hello, it's John Neal here, and it's Thursday, the 3rd of August 2023, and I am in Nuneaton Town Centre next to the library. And the theme today is have a look at all this, because before too long it won't be here.
Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine. Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine. Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine. Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine.
So this is a record of the buildings that we have on this stretch of town before they are demolished and the development of the town takes place. There are exciting plans to make big changes to the middle of Nuneaton town. This is a still shot from a video by Warwickshire County Council, and I'll leave it with you for a moment so you can just get your bearings. The bottom right hand corner is the Justice Centre, and in front of it the car park that leads to the back of the post office, and that's mostly what I'll be looking at. And I'll fly up and down the main road of Bridge Street near the clock and back again, and round by the library. You might be like me and have to watch this animation a few times to get the idea of what the plans are, but they are very adventurous, and let's hope they come to fruition. As you can see, as we come back along Bridge Street, underneath us here is the River Anchor by this tree, and part of the plans are to open up the area around the river so people can enjoy it all the better. I'm very pleased to get some good footage of Nuneaton Library, and it's a little controversial in that it's going to be demolished, because it was in fact designed by Sir Frederick Ernest Gibbard, who also, by the way, was the architect who designed the Liverpool Catholic Cathedral, and he was in fact born in Coventry and went to school there. He was famous for his work during the post-war years, designing many buildings up and down the country. It will be very good to see proper use made of one or two patches of ground like this one here, and more to the left, which have been untouched for, I would say, at least 10 or 12 years. And I think the new plans will make a feature of the Justice Centre, which I consider to be rather a fine building and an interesting concept for the police, probation service and so on. I think I'm right in saying that the old Pen and Wig, now the Pop World pub, will remain. And here we have the Job Centre building, which is still being decided as to whether it's to be demolished or not, which I think would be a shame because it's quite a fine building and it's a pity it couldn't be used for something else. Here is the Job Centre building from the other side. I suppose the big question is, when is it going to happen? Well, we wait and see, but those are the plans anyway. And to be honest, I think they're quite exciting. And there certainly needs to be a lot of decisions and building taking place and development. I mean, look at this over here. It's right in the middle of town, and there's one or two sites here, plots, been empty for ages, maybe 10 years, right in the middle of town. And yeah, a lot of development got to take place, and sooner the better. Okay, right, that'll do me for now. We'll see what the future holds, eh? You'll see me next time. Bye bye.